Alright, bring this big baby outside to have a better look at it. I've been detailing a lot of stuff on it. Not able to see everything in the house, like this a bit of dirt inside of there that I can clean. Right there. But I think you can use is it alcohol and water to spray these down with? That's what I need to do, I believe. Yeah, this is a torque tube model. 8-channel receiver right there. So I can now connect the governor and auto booster. That's all I have, governor and auto booster. Thinking I had a co-pilot on here too. No, just the governor in channel 7 and an auto booster in channel 8. Rad. I'm gonna fly this baby, man. And it'd be so big, it'd be so light. I don't know if you guys can just imagine. And let's see, can't get the blade span here. Got a whole block size there. And also I'm thinking about you might want to put a new motor in this puppy and a new muffler. And y'all know we like power. Gotta have power. Not speed, but power. I replaced that tail rotor grip too. Man, look at all that dirt on here. Yeah, let me get in the house and get to work, man. Thanks for watching. I'll clean it up this time. I'll keep it covered. Yeah, that's filthy, man. And if anybody has any good recommendations on what I can squirt this down with, I think it's alcohol and water. Thank you.